Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. On behalf of our company Universitas Negeri Jakarta Tour and Travel, I wish you selamat pagi dan selamat datang di Jakarta. It is our common greeting to greet you, which means good morning and welcome to Jakarta. Anyway, how are you today? I wish you in a well condition and already a lot of energy, because we are about to have some fun tour activities today. First of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Rian Aris Mustafa, and you can call me Rian for simple. I'm so glad and excited at the same time, because I have this opportunity to be your tour guide today. Well, ladies and gentlemen, it is my pleasure to explain little information about Wayang Museum. So, if you have a question or request, just raise your hand so I can answer your question and help with your request. And now, let's the tour begin.
Previously, Museum Wayang Building was a Dutch church named the Oude Hollandsche Kerk from 1640 to 1732. Then, it underwent renovation from 1732 to 1736 and changed its name to the New Hollands Kerk. Then, the building was destroyed and rebuilt in 1912. And in 1912 to 1939, it functioned as the Old Batavia Museum or Museum Batavia Lama. And the Museum Wayang was inaugurated on 13 of August in 1975 by the Governor of the KDKI Jakarta at the time, Mr. Ali Sadikin. Well, that's the outline of an explanation of history of the Museum Wayang. And next, I will take you to see the facilities in this Museum Wayang. The first is an animated film screening room, a prayer room, a library, a performance room, and of course a toilet. Furthermore, the Museum Wayang has around 6,800 collections, both from abroad and from Indonesia. There are quite a lot of collections from abroad in this museum. Some are in the form of wayang kulit or skin puppet, and some are in the form of dolls. While the collection from Indonesia that are contained in this Museum Wayang are wayang kulit, wayang golek, blencong, topeng, wayang bebek, and also wayang klitik. Now, in this room, the collection is about wayang golek from West Java. The wayang golek is made of acacia wood. The size of puppet shown in this room is usually for performance. Well, this room also explains the story of Ramayana. The Ramayana tells about the love story between Rama and Sinta, who is disturbed by a giant named Rahwana. Let's go to the next room. Well, now we are in the Taman Ian Pieterszoon, which used to be a tomb of the VOC governor named Ian Pieterszoon. But at this time, the skeleton of the grave has been moved to the inscription park in Tanah Abang. Then some were bought by his family to the Netherlands. Well, before we went around the wayang room from the West Java area, now let's move to the room that display the typical collection of Sumatra Island. Now we have arrived at the North Sumatra room. Here there are two icons from North Sumatra in the Museum Wayang. The first is Gundala-Gundala and the second is Gale-Gale. Well, here I explain a little about Gundala-Gundala. Gundala-Gundala, this is a dance to welcome guests in Tanah Karo, North Sumatra. Then this Gale-Gale dolls comes from Samosir Island. This doll used to function as a death ceremony for men without offspring. Previously, the purpose of this Gale-Gale ceremony was carried out and believed to be the spirit can easily ascend to heaven. Now, then we go to the Jakarta room, because the Puppet Museum has a collection about Jakarta, namely the Lenong Betawi Wayang Golek. Friends, now we are on the second floor. Here we can find a glass painting from Cirebon by Kintu Susmono This glass painting explained about the Bharatayuddha war in the Mahabharata series. The painting explained the battle being fought by Adipati Karna, representing the Kauravas, or in Indonesian called Kurawa, against Arjuna of the Pandavas, or in Indonesian people called Pandawa. So, the story of the Mahabharata is a story about the civil war between the Pandavas and Kauravas. Now, I want to invite you guys to see the next collection. Well, this is International Collection Room. In this International Collection Room, there is a doll from England named Pancen Judy, from France, a Guignol doll, from Malaysia and Cambodia, there is also wayang kulit. And there is also a collection of dolls from America called Wayang Kulit Suriname. Well, let's go back to the collection area from Regents in Indonesia, as this is the last spot for our tour today. And now, we can see that in front of us, there is a shadow puppet known as Wayang Kulit Wahyu. This Wayang Kulit Wahyu comes from Surakarta, and this puppet tells about the old covenant of Christianity that occurred in Indonesia.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, we are already at the end of our activities. Thank you very much for your attention and your participation. I hope you guys enjoy the tour and also our service. And for your information, our next tour will be continued by my partner Haikal Syahriza as tour guide. And once again, on behalf of our company Jakarta State University Tour and Travel, I would like to say thank you for choosing our travel in your trip. Have a nice day and don't forget to check your belongings before leaving. See you on the next trip. Bye.